yes, we have petunias. Can you believe it already, guys? Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at Lowe's out in the garden center, and it is a beautiful day to be out here looking at all of the beauty. So today we're going to go over all clearance items, and I'm going to go ahead and give you a look at the clearance tag. So when I go through the plants, I'm going to give you the regular price, but to the right is going to be the clearance price. Okay, here, guys, we have Salvia, and this is a Monrovia plant. It is a full sun perennial. The original price is $6.48. This is a 1-quart container that it is in. So it needs 6 hours of sun. Watering low once established. The mature size is 10 to 12 inches high and wide. It blooms in the spring and summer, and hardiness to -20 to -30. Yes, for the beautiful Salvia. Down here we have a geranium, another Monrovia plant, partial sun plant. The original price is $5.98. So it gets 12 to 18 inches tall and wide. It blooms spring, summer, and fall. Hardiness to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. For the geranium. Right here is a white lantana, another Monrovia plant. It is $5.98. And so this one needs 6 hours of sun. The mature size is 20 to 26 inches high by 24 to 36 inches wide. It blooms summer and fall. Hardiness to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. For the beautiful lantana. Right here are the Kiss Coreopsis. They are $5.48. So it is a full sun plant. It is a mountain perennial. And so the average size is going to be 12 to 14 inches high and wide. You want to space it 20 inches apart. It is a zone 4 plant, and the cold hardiness is -20 to -30. Non-hardy in zones 1 through 3. Yes. Another beautiful lantana right there for $4.98. So down here we have a rose bush. It is the Sunbelt Rose Collection. The original price is $26.98. It is Sunbelt Savannah. Okay, so it needs full sun to partial shade. It gets 4 feet tall and 3 feet wide. It says nothing about the hardiness, guys. Okay, now this one is a rhododendron right here. Well, part sun plant. It is $22.98. It blooms in the springtime only. So the average mature size is 2 feet high and 2 feet wide. You want to space it 18 inches apart. Cold hardiness -20 to -30. It is a zone 4 plant, and you want to spring fertilize her in the springtime for the rhododendron. So this is the bubblegum. We know this one is going to get really huge right here. So, and all of the petunias, guys, going to have pretty much the same specs. So I'm not going to go over the specs on each petunia. So this one here, it gets 12 to 24 inches tall. You want to space it 18 to 32 inches apart. It is an annual except in zone 10A through 11B, hardy to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to fertilize it for best results. Water normal, and the light is full 2-part sun. For the beautiful bubblegum petunia. We also have this purple one here. This one is the Bordeaux. This is the Evening Star Calibacora. Right here. Okay. Now down here are some Impatiens here. It's a compact tropical rose. It is an annual. It is a mountain annual. It blooms spring, summer, and fall. The original price is $9.98. Okay, it is good for all zones. The average mature size is 16 to 24 inches tall and 14 to 20 inches wide. You want to space it 14 to 20 inches apart and fertilize this one monthly for the beautiful Sun Patience. Okay, it's kind of tight up in here, guys, so just bear with me. Oh man, we have hanging pots, guys. On all these hanging pots, the original price is $12.98. So we have the begonias, we have the impatiens. Ooh, can't get out of here. Let's see what else we have. New Guinea impatiens here for $16.98. Another, this is an impatient here. Impatiens. Okay, now we have some trays over here, guys. The original price on these trays or flats are $12.98. So this is a flat of Salvia. A flat of 12. The original price again is $12.98, but of course it's on clearance. We have the begonias. Let's see what this is. Well, it's not a flat. It is a dianthus. This is an 8-pack for $3.98. Oh goodness. And I tell you, there's nothing wrong with these plants, guys. Look at these over here. And all of these are by proven winners here, these Supertunias. So this is a Super Bells Tropical Sunrise Caribou Coral for $5.98. Isn't she a beauty? Oh my goodness. This one is Super Bells Yellow Caliber Coral. This one is Limoncello here. So nice. And then we have this Azalea here for $22.98. Now this one is, it blooms in the springtime only. It is in a 2.25 gallon container. It is a zone 5 plant. It gets 4 to 5 feet tall and wide. You want to space it 4 feet apart. And the cold hardiness is -10 to -20. And fertilize this one spring and in the summer. For the beautiful Azalea here at Lowe's. Oh my goodness, guys. It's so much out here. I can't hardly get through these racks. But we're going to get through them. Okay, so we have these pots right here. Ready to refill, garden made easy. So this one is $16.98. And it has, you know, the caliber corals and the petunias in it. So there's nothing wrong with this plant. It really isn't. So it is a clearance plant. Okay. Here's a Veronica right here. Original price $24.98. Full sun plant is a mountain perennial. This is a 2.5 gallon container. And it is a zone 3 plant. It gets 24 to 36 inches high and 18 to 24 inches wide. You want to space it 15 to 18 inches apart. Cold hardiness is -30 to -40. Non-hardy in zone 1 through 2. For the beautiful Veronica. It's just going and going, and I'm loving it. More proven winners plants here. So this one is the Super Bell Dreamsicle Caliber Coral. Oh, that's a cute name. I like this color too. Oh yeah. This is Holy Smokes Caliber Coral here. Oh yeah, guys, these are great deals today. Here's a hibiscus tree here. The original price on this one is $19.98. It is a full sun bush. Zone 11. It gets 6 feet tall and 3 feet wide. Cold hardiness is 50 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Non-hardy in zones 1 through 10. Yeah. For this beautiful red hibiscus. We have a knockout rose tree here. The original price was $49.98, and this is a 3-gallon container. This hibiscus is in a 1.7-gallon container, guys. Yeah, more calibrachoris up here in these pots for $19.98. Right here are more plants by proven winners, and this is the Amazing Daisies Daisy May for $11.98. So it is a full sun perennial, and it gets 12 to 24 inches tall. You want to space it 10 inches apart, and it's hardy in zones 5 through 9 to -20. It blooms early summer and late summer as well, and it's a full sun plant. More hanging pots here. These are the Impatiens for $14.98. Yes, guys, isn't this wonderful? Yes, save us a few coins. Here's this porcelain right here for $4.98 in this 1-pint container. It is a Trellis annual. So let's see what we can see about Miss Porcelain. It gets 3 to 6 inches tall, 18 to 24 inches wide. You want to space it 12 to 18 inches apart. And its cold hardiness is non-hardy, below 30 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's okay for all zones. For the beautiful porcelain. More beautiful daisies over here. More beautiful hanging plants over here. These are more petunias. Look at this bloom here. Oh, that is pretty. $14.98. More Impatiens here. Oh man, they even have more petunias down here, guys. Oh, yes. So over here are Verbena. Oh yes, this is the Homestead Purple Verbena. It is in a 2.5 quart container. It is a trailing plant. It blooms summer and the fall. It's zone 6. Cold hardiness is 10 to -10. Non-hardy in zones 1 through 5. The average mature size is 18 inches tall and 24 inches wide. For the beautiful Homestead Purple Verbena. So pretty. Okay, let's see. Now, I'm not sure, are these hostas on sale too? Because they don't look touched. Oh no, they're not. Well, they're not on clearance, but they are on sale. 2 for $10, the 2.5 quart hostas. Okay, and they're beautiful. Absolutely love a hosta. A lot of bang for your buck. Okay. You too. Oh, look up here. This is a hydrangea tree right here. This is an endless summer hydrangea. Okay. Is this Summer Crush? Yes, it is. And the original price is $24.98. So it gets 18 to 36 inches tall and wide. Hardiness is -30. Yeah, hardy to zone 4. For the beautiful Summer Crush. It looks a little raggedy right now, guys, but if you just cut these blooms off and give it a little fertilizer and water, and she's good to go. Yes. Now, what is this one? This is a rose climbing trellis for $29.98. This is a 2.25 gallon container. Okay. Ooh-wee. Here's this Asiatic Lily here for $26.98. Yeah. So it is a zone 3 plant. It gets 12 to 36 inches tall and 6 to 9 inches wide. You want to space it 6 inches apart. Hardiness is -30 to -40. Non-hardy in zone 1 through 2. And you want to fertilize this one spring and summer. For the beautiful lily. Isn't she pretty? Oh my goodness. I'm going to give you guys another look at the clearance tag, or the clearance price tag here. So the price that I'm giving you is the original price, but this is the clearance price here. Okay? So yeah. So I think that's probably going to be it here today, guys, at Lowe's in the Garden Center, and I am very pleased with what we see. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget, if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share. Thank you all so much, and I will definitely see you all in the next one.